today's video, I'm going to be talking about 11 ways that you can make money online and build passive income. But before you can do that, you got to understand a couple principles. One of them is the cash flow quadrant. The cash flow quadrant is something that Robert Kiyosaki came up with, and it basically talks about the 4 types of income. There are 4 ways that you can make money. One of them is employee, and that's where you just work and get a paycheck. You get paid by the hour, maybe you get a salary, that's employee. The second quadrant is being self-employed, and the problem with being self-employed is that you basically created your own job. You still are trading time for dollars. The next quadrant is B, and that's where you're creating systems. Systems to make income, systems to build income, passive income. This is the quadrant that you want to focus on. And then once you start getting the money coming in, the last quadrant is investments. That's where you put your money to work and they build wealth for you. Look at that dog. Isn't he a cutie? Now, while we're talking about the 4 quadrants, it's also important to realize that there are 2 types of income. There's passive income and there's active income. Active income is where you do something and you get paid for it. Like if you're a consultant and you get paid X amount for consultative services, that's active income. If you do something like create a program and somebody pays to go through the program, that's passive income. Once you create it, it no longer requires your time. So keep those 2 things in mind, and then you want to do a combination of 2 of them. We'll talk about how you can make money online by building combinations. If you have a combination, then that's both active and passive income. All right, so let's get started. The first set of income producing activities we want to talk about fall into the active income category. You can do all these things online. First one is Poshmark. If you just need to earn money really quickly, Poshmark is where you can sell stuff online. Grab some of the stuff you have laying around your house, especially if you have name brand stuff, you know, high-end clothes, high-end shoes. You can sell them on Poshmark. They take a percentage, and I will tell you it's a high percentage, but it's an easy way to put cash in your pocket really quickly. You do have to ship stuff to people on Poshmark, so another option that you might look at is Facebook Marketplace. I've had a lot of success selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace. You just have to make sure that you're meeting people in a public location. You don't want to be having everybody come to your house, but you can get rid of a lot of stuff, put a lot of money in your pocket quickly. Now, it's not something that you can do over and over unless you start flipping things, but you can find stuff on Facebook Market, like find furniture, fix it up, refurbish it, flip it. That's one thing that you could do, but that's active income. The next thing of active income that you can look at is doing work on Upwork. This is where you sell your services. Maybe you're good at video editing, maybe you're good at writing. If you go onto Upwork, people will pay you for your services. And the key there is to do a good job. You have to take some jobs that are a little bit less pay until you get some good star ratings, and then you can build up your clientele. The idea is to get a lot of 5 stars. Once you get a lot of 5 stars, you're gonna have a better chance of getting more jobs and higher paying jobs. If you like Upwork, another option is Fiverr, which is kind of the same thing, but I will say this. A lot of the people that look for jobs on Fiverr are expecting cheaper pay because it started off as Fiverr meant you pay $5 and you get some stuff done. So you might wanna start with Upwork, because you're going to have a better chance of making more money on Upwork. Now, if there's something that you're qualified to teach, like maybe you want to teach another language or teach guitar or teach something like that, then you can go to a site called takelessons.com, sign up to be a teacher, and then people will pay you for you to teach them. And you can do this all digitally. Now, again, this is active income. We're going to get to passive income in a minute. The last form of active income that I want to talk about is a site called Rover. If you like animals, Cooper, come here. Come here, Cooper, come on. So if you like taking care of people's animals, then you can sign up to be on that site, Rover, and you can do pet care. Again, it's active income, but it's something that you can do to make a little bit of extra money, starting with going online. All right, now let's talk about passive income. What can you do to create income online that's passive? That means it comes in month after month after month, whether you get out of bed or not. That's the key to financial freedom and to time freedom, is to create multiple streams of passive income. Now, if you're good at photography and you have a phone, one of the easiest things that you can do is create an account with Shutterstock and start uploading photos and videos and things like that. There are some other sites like Shutterstock, but basically you're just giving people B-roll footage. So a lot of times in my videos you'll see that I put different pictures, different photographs, different videos, and a lot of them aren't me, they aren't people I know. This is called B-roll. This is simple photography that people upload that they allow other people to download. And so if you create an account with Shutterstock and you upload some videos and some pictures and stuff like that, then you can get paid every time people use it. Now it's going to take a lot of time and a lot of photos and a lot of videos before you start seeing significant income, but that's how you can start building something until you have passive income coming in, and it can grow and grow and grow, and it can grow exponentially. The key to passive income right now, if you don't have a lot of money to spend, is to get involved in the creator economy. This is something that didn't exist when I was younger, and if somebody's watching this video and you're young, heart this video if you're under the age of 30, because I'm really interested to see how many of my viewers fall into this category. But we didn't have this option. When I was younger, if you wanted to create passive income, you had to really be creative and start thinking of things that you could invest in, and really the only game in town really was real estate. Because real estate, everyone knows, is passive income. It grows in equity, all kinds of good stuff about real estate, but it takes money to invest in real estate. To be part of the creator economy, all you need is what everybody pretty much already has, which is a phone. I make all my videos and edit all my videos on a phone. That's it. I have this microphone, which is like a $6, $8 microphone, and my phone. I have a couple tripods, and that's about it. You can spend thousands of dollars on cameras, but you don't have to. So once you're into the creator economy, there's all kinds of ways that you can monetize your content that you create. So that's what we're going to talk about now, and it's passive income. You do the creation once, and you get paid on it forever and ever and ever. So the first thing you can do is YouTube. That's what I'm doing, right? I upload videos to YouTube. Now, how do I monetize that? How do you get paid by YouTube? How much does YouTube pay? Well, the first way you make money, once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, then you can start earning ad revenue. So every time you see a video ad on a video, the creator gets 55% of that ad, and that adds up. The more views you have, the more you get paid. It's not unreasonable to make $100, $500, $3,000, $5,000. I mean, the bigger your channel gets, or multiple channels, the more money that you can make just from AdSense. But there's other ways to monetize YouTube as well. Sponsorships. A lot of people do sponsorships. I've never done them, but that's when somebody says, hey, when you do your video, give a shout out to our company, or review this product in one of your videos and we'll pay you to do it, or we'll give you free product. That's sponsorships. That's a second way to monetize your YouTube content. Third way to monetize is through ClickBank. That's affiliate marketing. You can use ClickBank, you can use Amazon. I'm going to talk about Amazon separately in a minute. But basically, there are links in the description of YouTube. And believe it or not, people go to those links. When they click on them and they order, you can get a percentage. So what is ClickBank? ClickBank is just all digital products. So right now, one of the products that I'm promoting in ClickBank is how to get started in affiliate marketing. It's an expensive product, but they pay a high commission. Because it's digital, ClickBank companies typically pay a higher percentage. So Amazon are physical products and they pay 3% usually. ClickBank, it's not unreasonable for a digital product company to pay 40, 50, or 60% commission. So if you make one sale and it's $500, you might get $250. So it doesn't take many sales to make a pretty good hefty income. While we're talking about affiliate marketing, let's talk about Amazon. Being an Amazon partner. Basically, you go through the Amazon partner program, you get signed up, you agree to their terms and conditions and that kind of stuff, and then you can link to Amazon products. Now the cool thing is, as of right now, when people go to Amazon from one of my links, let's say they go there and they click on something, let's say they're watching this video and I put a cushion off of Amazon in my description. Someone clicks on it and they go and they look and they say, you know what, I don't want that patio cushion, but Amazon's always suggesting stuff based on what they previously look at. So if they had, in the last 24 hours, came to Amazon from my link and then they decide to buy something else, I'll get a commission from them doing that, just for me sending them back to Amazon. You want to be part of the Amazon Partner Program because people are already conditioned to buy from Amazon. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you like learning about finance and making money, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of my updates. So I don't know if you can see this, but you see those people behind me? I came outside because I don't like talking in my house with my family all around listening to me. It makes me nervous for some reason. So I come outside. There have been so many golfers on the golf course today. It's been driving me crazy. And I don't know if you can hear them talking, but it is totally like everything I say I know they can hear. So it's been making me really nervous and it's been driving me crazy. Now, while we're talking about Amazon, there are also other ways to make money on Amazon. You can be part of that Amazon KDP program. That's Kindle Direct Publishing, so you can publish books. Now, you might say, well, I'm not much of a writer. I don't want to write. Well, we talked about Fiverr and we talked about Upwork earlier. You could always contract someone else to write something and then you could publish it on Amazon KDP and make money from the sales. Or, I haven't tried this, but I've heard it, you could do calendars, you could do journals, things that you just kind of design the layout and the pages, and then you sell them on Amazon KDP. You get a commission and you're not really writing anything. I mean, think about this. What if you designed some journals and every page had a quote on it, or every page had a scripture on it, and then you had a cool cover? If you're good at that kind of stuff and you're good at designing, you could upload tons of designs, and just over time, one of them's, liable to catch on, and you're going to get commissions every time you sell one of those, or every time Amazon sells one of them. And then there's Amazon MTurk. So you can go through the program, get set up on that. And of course, I've already talked about typical Amazon affiliate sales. One of the things that I do, if you've noticed on my channel, is every now and then when I buy something, like I bought a ping pong table, I bought some workout equipment, anything that I buy that's over 50 or 100 bucks, if I get it from Amazon, I'm probably going to do a video on it, because 3% of a $10 item isn't very much, but 3% of a $400 item is $12-15 bucks. Every time somebody orders a ping pong table from one of my links off of Amazon, I typically get $12 to $15 as a commission. Another way you can make money off of passive income is through drop shipping. So you can create a Shopify store, be part of the creator economy, blog posts, videos, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. You start creating content, driving people to a link in your Shopify store, people buy stuff, it's created and drop shipped to them, and then you get a commission from that. There's all kinds of ways, if you're part of the creator economy, to make money online, to create passive income online, to get financially free using the devices that you already have at home. All you got to do is think different. Do the work. Lastly is my favorite type of revenue, and that is a combination of active income and passive income. And the way you create that is by opening a stacked affiliate marketing business. Now, I've already talked about affiliate marketing. This is traditionally kind of like the home-based business revenue model, kind of. You want to get started in the health and wellness sector. So, for example, let's say on Amazon somebody buys a ping pong table. I get $12. That's 3% of $400. They have to spend $400, and if I get 3%, then I make 12 bucks. However, if they go to one of my stacked affiliate marketing links and order a health and wellness product, those pay sometimes up to 40% commission. So I might get $15 or $20 off of an $80 purchase. A lot of times I make $20 commission, but here's the thing. Since it's health and wellness, when someone buys a ping pong table, that's it. They're not buying another ping pong table. However, when they buy a health and wellness product, let's say it's something to lose weight, or it's a multivitamin, it's consumable. They're going to use it every single month. They're going to run out, and they're going to have to go order some more. Once they order once, and then they go back and order more, then I'm going to get a commission every single time. And a lot of times the vitamins, people get set up on auto ship because they know they're going to run out, so they'll just have it shipped to them every single month. And every single month that it gets shipped, I'm going to get my commission. Do you see how powerful that is? Because here's why it's powerful. If you get 10 customers that you're making $15 a pop off of commissions, and they're on auto ship because it's a consumable product, you're now making $150 a month. Now, with the internet and with the way that things can scale with YouTube and TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all these kind of things, it's not unreasonable that over a career of 5, 10, 20 years, you could build up, let's say, 1,000 customers. If you build up 1,000 customers and you're making even $10 commission off of each one, you're looking at $10,000 a month in income. The sky's the limit. It can get much bigger than that. But here's the other part of stacked affiliate marketing. The way it works is you might run into some people, like you're watching this video now, you might say to yourself, hey, that's a great idea. I think I want to try that stacked affiliate marketing, right? So you can go down to the link below in the description, see how it works. If you decide, I want to give that a shot, you can sign up and get going, and you're part of my team, which means I'm going to support you. I'm going to try to help you be successful. And the more successful you are, the more I make, because the way the revenue model is set up, I'll get a commission because we're stacking on top of each other, right? So I'll get a little bit of commission off of that. Now, it's already baked into the model. So the cool thing is you don't make any less commission. You know, the corporate world doesn't work like that. Somebody doesn't hope that you do better than they do. I hope that you do better than me. I hope you have videos on YouTube that blow up and you get 5 million views and you get 10,000 customers, because I'm going to get a little bit of that as a kickback as well. It doesn't affect how much you make, but it will help me. So everyone wants to help everyone grow their business. So if any of that sounds good to you, I hope that you'll go down in the description and check it out. If not, watch another one of my videos and learn how you can make more money online.